Alright, going out raking hay. Got the hay rake hooked up. Got my How We Rake and Roll shirt on that I obviously cut off because we don't have AC, so doors open, windows open, it's hot, rain's coming. It's gonna start raining probably about 1 o'clock. It's about 9 o'clock now. Dew just got off. So I got about 16 acres to, probably a little over 17 acres to rake and then bale. Gonna be cutting it close on time, but I want to get it off the field before it rains, obviously. So, talk to you when I get to the field. Alright, I got the first field rake. Didn't get any video of that. I was in a hurry because, like I say, we got rain coming. And I wanted to give it as much time to dry before I start baling it as I can. So I'm going to take my time on this field so I'll be able to get you some video. Probably a little time lapse. That's the hay rake. Hay's looking pretty dry. It could use a little bit more time to dry, so like say, after I rake this and then go hook up the baler and get the monitor set and drive back down here, hopefully it'll have another hour and a half to dry. And then I'll be able to bale it up no problem. Alright. Enjoy the time lapse. Raking at about 8 miles an hour, so it'll be a quick one. Alright, so PTO shaft, small 1000, hydraulics are all hooked up, plugs plugged in, got a bungee cord to hold everything away from the PTO shaft. That cord runs up into the cab. Then obviously hook that up to there, that goes to the monitor. Monitor has another plug on it, goes there, that supplies the power to the actual monitor. This just reads what's going on in the baler. And then if the monitor ever goes out, there's a little plug here. You just swap these, you pull this out, this goes to the monitor, plug that in, and then you actually have a bypass switch. You can extend and retract the twine so you'd still be able to wrap bales even without the monitor. But man, does the monitor make it nice, so we're gonna make that last as long as we can. There's the one of the old balers. That's the one we didn't use very much. We did use it every once in a while. It was our backup baler. But it's sold and should be headed down the road sometime this week, and then I think we're gonna haul the other one up to an auction. So I'm gonna go out in the field, get baling. I checked, I think I got enough twine to make it for today, so see you then. Wrapping the twine. See that bale? That's a pretty good looking bale. I bumped it up to 70 now. Remember last time I moved it down to 60 because we weren't sure how big the tractor would like to pick up. We got smaller tractors for picking up. Well, it picked it up fine, so we're gonna go 70. Because the bigger the bale we make, the less of them we have to haul. Time to dump it. Just like that, we're growing again. We got a storm moving in on us. Crank this up. This holds the head up. Got all the hay baled so it can rain now. We need it. It's dry. Hopefully the rain cools it off. It is hot out here. Had a little bit of trouble with the baler. Show you. I blew a hydraulic cylinder on it. See all that hydraulic oil in there? I blew the top out of this cylinder, but it is starting to rain. So I will take that off tomorrow. Looks like the bottom's easy enough to get off. The top, oh yeah, the top's easy enough. You just pull this bolt out and it lets that slide out. That'll be an easy one to get out. And then we got a place that we're gonna take it to get the cylinder rebuilt. Other than that though, that tensions the bale. So I had a few bales that were not. That's a poor design. If you got the head up, you can't shut the door. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so crank this down a little bit. There we go. Crank the head back up. Like to have it locked up in case I need to tow it with the truck. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder. It's thundering and lightning off to the north like crazy. Hopefully we get a good little rain. Man, an inch of rain probably wouldn't hurt us right now, as long as it doesn't all come down at once. I don't know how much we're gonna get, but we're gonna get something, I bet. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, have a good one. I guess I forgot to tell you, we got 14 bales in the first field we baled and 21 bales in the second field. So 35 more bales added to the count for the year.